a child, I loved Fruit Loop cereal. But as an adult, I love my cookies. And thanks to Mama Ray Ray and Kenny's Salad Master, I've been challenged to make a cookie. Now I'm going to show them and you just how I did it. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. Today, I'm so excited to share with you my Fruit Loop lemon sandwich cookie recipe. I was challenged by Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen and Kenny's Salad Master Healthy Cooking. Now, Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen loves lemons, so I had to make this cookie challenge a lemon cookie as well. So Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen and Kenny's Salad Master Healthy Cooking, challenge is on. Let me tell you the ingredients that I used. I have a cup of unsalted butter, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, and 1 1/2 cups of Fruit Loops cereal. To mix up my ingredients, I'll be using my stand mixer fixed with my paddle attachment, a bowl, a whisk, and a spatula. I also will be using my juicer. Now, I'm going to go ahead and set my oven to 375 degrees. Starting with the butter, I'm going to go ahead and add it to my bowl. And let's mix it up. I'm ready to add the sugar to my butter. I'm going to go ahead and cream the two together. Let's mix it up. Now for the light brown sugar. Let's mix it up. Now to add my egg into the cookie dough. Placing my egg in that separate bowl, so no eggshells and no bad eggs can mess up my dough. I'm now going to place it into my bowl, and I'm going to mix it up with that egg added in. Let's mix it up. Now for what I know is Mama Ray Ray's favorite, lemon. I'm going to go ahead and zest my clean lemon for 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Now that I have my lemon zest, I'm going to go ahead and add it to my cookie dough mix. And let's mix it up. Now to get some lemon juice, I'm going to go ahead and cut my lemon in half. I'm going to go ahead and take my lemon, place it on the side of my juicer, twist it so that I can have my lemon juice for these lemon Fruit Loop cookies. Now it's time to add my 2 teaspoons into my bowl. 1, 2. And let's mix it up. Now before we get to the dry ingredients, I want to take my spatula and I want to scrape down the sides of the bowl. I want to make sure that all of the ingredients that I already placed in my bowl is fully incorporated together. And don't forget the bottom. On to the dry ingredients. The salt, cornstarch, and the baking soda is now going to go into my bowl with the flour. Taking my whisk, I'm going to go ahead and mix it up by hand. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the flour in at a time. Let's mix it up. Now for the star of the show and the challenge ingredient, Fruit Loops And let's mix it up. Taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape off all of the cookie dough off my paddle and from down the sides of my bowl. And then I'm going to mix it up one final time. Now taking my ice cream scoop, I'm going to go ahead and scoop out my cookie dough and place it onto my parchment lined baking tray. Now taking my thumb, I'm going to place it on top of each cookie dough. This way, when they rise in the oven, they'll still remain flat. Now it's time to place my cookie dough in the refrigerator to chill for 20 minutes. This is a sandwich cookie, so we need a filling. The ingredients that you would need are powdered sugar, butter, lemon juice, vanilla extract, kosher salt, and some Fruit Loops. We're going to start by adding the powdered sugar into the bowl. Next, we're going to add our butter. And let's mix it up. Now we're going to add the vanilla extract. And let's mix it up. Given that lemon flavor, we're going to go ahead and add the lemon. Time to add the salt. And let's mix it up. The star of the show, Fruit Loops, is now going into the bowl. Let's mix it up. Now that my cookies have chilled, I'm ready to place them in the oven for 9 minutes. Now that my cookies are out of the oven, I'm going to let them cool on my baking tray for 5 minutes. Now that my cookies have cooled on my baking tray, I'm ready to move them to my cooling rack where they'll cool down completely. Now it's time to put together our Fruit Loop lemon sandwich cookies. I'm going to go ahead and take 2 cookies and flip it on the back. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take our Fruit Loop lemon filling and I'm going to smooth it on top of my cookies. Now that I have the amount of filling that I want, I'm going to place the other cookie and place it on top. Final step, I'm going to take my cookie and roll it into my Fruit Loops. How's that for a challenge? And now it's time to taste our tasty treat. Ready, Jim?
Yep.
Great, which one? All right, this is for you, Mama Ray Ray and Kitty, the salad master.
Breakfast and a cookie.
Breakfast and a cookie. It's very yummy. I'll see you in the next one and subscribe for more. Mm.